Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam and I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside DLF Phase 2 in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This place is very well connected to the main golf course road. This is very well connected to the main MG road, which is just adjoining the place where we are actually shooting this specific shoot. This location is very well intersected with the main cyber city that you talk about, the NH8. The proximity of these places are very near to the location that we are at. Now, this plot size is 502 square yards. We'll be shooting this, and the configuration of this property would be 4-bedroom, hall, kitchen, dining, drawing, and this also has a powder room added to it. So let's move forward. This is the formal living space come dining area. Since the kitchen is on my right hand side, you can consider this space as the dining section. Over in the front, this is the living formal space where the person of the house discusses the most important aspects of his, if his life, जो भी अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं शायद इधर ही होती हैं. Towards on my left hand side, you'll see this is a plain wall. You've got the Daikin ka air conditioner. You talk about the surface of the flooring in the complete house. This is Italian flooring given. Today, when I talk about the quality of this wallpaper on the right hand side of the formal living space का जो दीवार है ये wall, इसके ऊपर बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का sophisticated एक wallpaper दिया हुआ है. On my right hand side you'll see a glass work given which has an engineered wood on the borders. इधर भी आपका engineered wood दिया हुआ है पूरा अच्छा. इसमें teak wood brown color का shade दिया है. This is again an engineered wood panel. You've got the wallpaper, since this is the most important thing of your house, which is called the pillar. You talk about the fan, these are all by Havells. You talk about the ceiling of the property, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है. सिंस दिस इज़ अ 500 स्क्वायर यार्ड प्रॉपर्टी, तो एक डिज़ाइन बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से इन्होंने दिया हुआ है, विच हैज़ अ वेरी जो आपको चुभेगी नहीं. LED लाइट्स भी बहुत सिंपल दी हुई हैं इसके अंदर, एलिगेंट. यहाँ पर मैं आपका नेचुरल स्टोन दिया हुआ है. दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ अ balcony connected to this, much thick and much long for person to accommodate. यहाँ पर डाइकिन का आपका पूरा एक्सटर्नल्स दिए हुए हैं. यहाँ पर सामने में ऊपर में HPL की शीट्स दी हुई है. यू टॉक अबाउट दी क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस टफन्ड ग्लास भी है, और यहाँ पर एल्यूमिनियम का ये पूरा का पूरा आपको रेलिंग दिया हुआ है. दिस इज़ अ ग्रेनाइट टॉप, अ नेचुरल स्टोन. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यूल सी दिस इज़ ऑल टाइलिंग वर्क डन, टेक्सचर्ड टाइल्स हैं. नीचे में आपका ग्रेनाइट स्टोन दिया हुआ है, नेचुरल स्टोन. दिस इज़ द डाइकिन का एयर कंडीशनर का आपका एक एक्सटर्नल है. टुवर्ड्स माई लेफ्ट हैंड साइड you'll see all the HPL sheets. Now moving in the front, once we get inside the the formal living space, you would see this is something aluminium का पूरा इसके अंदर है. ये pocket windows, this is almost like a sliding door. The first thing that you will notice is the switches as well. ये सारे modular switches दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर. Moving inside the dining area, you've got a chandelier here, all glass work given. This is all elite glass, toughened glasses हैं ये सारे के सारे. ये पूरा चैनल है, इसको आप बंद कर सकते हैं. उधर से भी आप इसको स्लाइड कर सकते हैं towards your left hand side if you'll see. From here we'll make a move towards the most important area of the property, which is going to be your foyer area, which is going to stand there. This is a common area wherein this will intersect you towards the different bedrooms of your house on the same level. So this is the most important aesthetic that we talk about. This is your temple of the house. ये MDF का पूरा काम है यहाँ पर. These are all MDF sheets and natural stone on the top. This is your drawer, cabinetry वगैरह है आपकी, ये देख सकते हैं आप. इसमें LED लाइट्स का अंदर में सारा का सारा काम करा हुआ है. दिस इज अगेन अ डिफरेंट डोर. ये पूरा LED लाइट्स का यहाँ पर काम करा हुआ है आपका. लेट्स गेट इनसाइड द फर्स्ट बेडरूम क्विकली. दिस इज द first bedroom of the house. When I talk about the door quality stands to be very strong. The door handles are almost elegant, and this is the first bedroom of the house. You've got the wooden work done on your left hand side. You've got the claret wall which has a design. This is a ceiling lamp, a beautiful ceiling lamp. You talk about the false ceiling, the design stands to be rectangular. On the right hand side you'll see you've got the Daikin ka air conditioner. Surface पे you've got the Italian marble. This is a sliding cabinet. ये आपका closet है. From here as well you can slide it. This also has a sensor. You've got the space to keep your stuff. Over here it's vice versa, it's same. You can keep your materials out here. This again has a sensor on the left hand side, and this, once you drag it, once you slide it, this will get open. So you've got the glasses as well here. A beautiful closet that I would say is added to this property. This is the balcony area on the right hand side, which is the back side balcony of the property. Conditioner जो है split, इसका आपका external लगा हुआ है. You've got the water tap, the drainage vessel. This is again a natural stone. Metal work. This is not steel. Natural stone here. You've got the air conditioners. Showcase the surroundings a little. पीछे में back to back plot है, so don't get worried. So now we'll move forward towards the washroom area. This is the washroom space. Towards my right, if you see, this is a tiling work done on the wall. You've got the beautiful vanity, one of the most beautiful vanity. This is a normal wood which is placed here. You've got the cabinet trays at the down. This is a sensor operated, a huge magnifying glass that you can see yourself every single day. This sanitary fittings are by Grohe. Almost you've got a wall mount commode seat. This place is something where you can place something of your own choice, materialistic. This has a small door. Shower area है आपका. Urine head on the head. On the top, Grohe का fittings है. Again tile work, Italian marble on the surface. You talk about the ceiling design, it's again rectangular. The theme has been carried away with the first bedroom to make it more simple and elegant. It's so hot. This is the second bedroom of the house. A huge bedroom which is connected with the balcony on the right hand side. You will see the ceiling design is very simple, and this has again a ceiling lamp on the left and on the right. This is again a plain wall. Ceiling का design diamond cut दिया हुआ है. You've got the Daikin का air conditioner. You talk about the surface. This is a wooden flooring. Heavens का fan install करा हुआ है. There is no compromisation with the stuff which is placed. ये glasses दिए हैं आपका. बीच में claret wall है. Glasses के design है. Again, towards this side, you can get your paintings and canvas. जो भी आपने लगाना है artistic बनाने के लिए थोड़ा सा और. This will look good. This is the washroom of the property, but we'll show you in a little while because we need to showcase you the balcony area first. As I said it before, when we entered inside the first bedroom, this was the long balcony which is carried away. ये first, second और third bedroom के साथ common है. You've got the same stuff, nothing has changed. यहाँ पर सिर्फ गीज़र का provisioning है. उधर दिखा दीजिए, गीज़र लगा हुआ है सामने में. Let's get inside and cover up the washroom space. You've got on the surface, on the walls, you've all got natural stone Italian marble. There is nothing changed. इधर बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने दिया हुआ. You've got a natural stone here as well. This is again your drawer. One push. The vanity design stays to be very much different this time. Grohe की fittings है. You've got a huge glass. This one is not a sensor operated. You've got a wall mount commode seat. This is again your shower area. You've got the rain head on your top. You've got the exhaust fans in place. You've got the shaft if you can open it with the ventilation. It's a huge rain head which is given. All sanitary fittings are by Grohe, which is a brand. Now we'll showcase you the closet of this bedroom. Showcase this. ये closet है आपका, beautiful closet. आपका sensor operated है, looks to be more sophisticated, I guess. This is the another closet. So every washroom space, you would not get the closet, but yes, the second bedroom has the closet inside it. This is the third bedroom. Size of a third bedroom is pretty much huge. You talk about the natural light will flow inside your house. This is a floating shelf. This has cabinetry along with this. You've got a glass, you can tuck in your pants and you will look beautiful. If you want to, you need to improve. देख लो अपने आप को improve भी कर सकते हो. This is again a sliding door at the back. This is the balcony space. ये दिखा दीजिए. Ceiling design is rectangular. This is small design which is given here. On the right hand side you'll see Daikin ka air conditioner. The wall stays to be empty wall. This is a design cladded inside the wall. This is a wooden block, engineered wood. This is going to be the washroom. This is the closet area. Show it to the viewers. You've got the shacks to keep your stuff down. This is a sliding door. That's your shower area. You've got the rain head. You've got the grohe ke fittings. ये आपका tile है. These are all tiles. Again, you've got the wall mount commode seat. This is a sliding door partition given here. On the left hand side, you'll see an exhaust fan. This is a sensor operated glass. The vanity looks to be again same but beautiful. सबके जो आपके washrooms हैं उसका vanity का design थोड़ा सा different है. This is natural stone with the space to keep your stuff down there. You've got the floating shelf here. You can keep your stuff. This is the again a closet space with the third bedroom that I would want to showcase you. अंदर में rods लगा हुआ है, hangers वगैरह आप लगा सकते हैं. This is again an elegant. This is the powder room of the property, which will help you to entertain your guest if somebody visiting you. This is all natural stone. You've got the Vitraca fittings, wall mount commode seat. You've got the marble out here. This is your cabinetry, small cabinetry to get your stuff in. This is a sensor-based glass. Again, beautifully made. Fallen ceiling का design भी बड़ा simple है, sober है और ऊपर में एक exhaust fan दिया हुआ है. The vanity stays to be prettiest vanity that I've ever seen. Brass. Let's get inside the fourth bedroom of the property. First of all, once you enter, you will come across with the glass, which is a huge window-sized glass to see for your own self, that you can visualize yourself as well. आपका left-hand side में this is wood. This is engineered wood. You've got the glass work, border दिया हुआ है, wallpaper ऊपर में लगाया हुआ है इसमें. On the surface, you'll see this is an Italian flooring, plain wall. Right side balcony, which is in the front, which is going to get open in the front. You've got the Daikin air conditioner. You've got a plain wall out here. You talk about the ceiling design. This is rectangular. Let's get outside towards the balcony area. This is the balcony size, which is shared in common with the living space, as well the kitchen space as well. So this is the air conditioning unit. That's the tap wet area. That's your drainage vessel. All natural stone, again HPL sheets you'll see outside in the front. This is a design given. So this is the fourth bedroom of the property, which stands to be beautiful. Come inside. You've got many more things to see. First of all, I need to call my cameraman inside. Come in. This is going to be the closet area that you see. You've got the cabinets, again shoe rack. This is again another space. So This is the master bedroom's washroom. You've got the ceiling lamp, a hanging ceiling lamp which is looking more beautiful. भाई बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. इस नज़ारे का तो कोई जवाब नहीं है. ये तो किसी 5 स्टार होटल से 7 स्टार होटल से कम नहीं है. इसको कंपेयर भी नहीं कर सकते. मोर एंड मोर ब्यूटीफुल. जैसे जैसे बढ़ रहे हैं आगे, जैसे जैसे देख रहे हैं बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. दिस इज़ ऑल नेचुरल स्टोन, अगेन इटालियन मार्बल. दिस इज़ ऑल इटालियन ऑन द सरफेस. पूरा स्टोन वर्क दिया हुआ है आपका. दिस डज नॉट हैव अ सेंसर. नेचुरल स्टोन. This is the small, this is an area wherein you will take the shower. यहाँ बैठ भी सकते हो. यहाँ पर LED लाइट्स आपका नीचे में लगेंगी अभी. This is a floating shelf सामान रखने के लिए. This is the rain head. You've got Havells का exhaust, Grohe fittings. Ventilation के लिए you've got this. You've got the sliding door. This is all toughened. Now this is the vanity area. Vitra का fittings है, Grohe की भी fittings है. This is the space to keep your stuff. Showcase please. I don't want to get out of this room. This is like washroom is like huge. मज़ा ही आ गया इसके अंदर तो. So let's get inside the kitchen area quickly. This is the kitchen. You've got a glass inbuilt inside the door. Natural stone, a good quality stone. A cabinet space, again to keep your stuff looking more beautiful. It's more or less like Japanese. This is the storage area. Again, all storage. See, you talk about the quality. इधर zoom करो थोड़ा सा, quality दिखाओ एक बारी कैसा दिया हुआ है. बहुत ही उम्दा quality का सामान है. Just slowly you need to just drag it like this. See, very nice work. Chimney, hob, all by CAF. This is by CAF. This is by Faber. This is a sensor based, if I'm not wrong. इधर से इसका कनेक्शन अभी नहीं दिया हुआ है. This will be given little later. This is a stain-free countertop. Again, the same stuff. You've got the space to keep your stuff out here and this way as well. So the natural light will flow inside your kitchen. इधर से आपको ventilation का problem नहीं होगा डे टाइम में. पूरा का पूरा इटालियन दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर टेक्सचर्ड, यहाँ पर पत्थर दिया हुआ है. डिज़ाइन बहुत प्यारा दिया है यहाँ पर. यू टॉक अबाउट दिस स्पेस. यू गॉट अ ह्यूज आउट हियर. इसके साथ साथ में आपको मैं इधर का स्पेस भी दिखा देता हूँ टू कीप. ये एल्युमिनियम का है पूरा का पूरा. दिस इज़ क्वाइट अ हैवी. इसके नीचे आपका एक शीट दिया हुआ है, रेसिस्टेंट शीट, जिससे चीज़ें स्लिप नहीं होंगी. दिस इज़ टू कीप योर करची वगैरह एंड ऑल दैट, कटलरी. दिस इज़ द स्पेस टू कीप योर grains, rice, pulse, maybe many more things. Good quality burner on the left hand side. You'll see a space for the refrigerator. This is again sensor, not sensor, this is again a shocker which is given here. ये अच्छे से आपका डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है पूरा का पूरा. This is an oven by Faber. This is your OTG. You can also install a dishwasher out here. ये गार्बेज का है, यहाँ पर आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. A good quality sink has been given. This is again the kind of system which is going to help you to drain your stuff. A small geyser has been planted inside. Ample space to keep your stuff. Ample space. This is the shelf, the grooving shelf. इसके अंदर आप सामान अपना रख सकते हैं. You talk about the surface of the floor. You've got all LED lights on the corners. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका इटालियन है. हेवल्स का फ़ैन दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर आप एयर कंडीशनर अपना प्लेस कर सकते हैं in the near future once you purchase this. So this will give you a little cool inside the kitchen. Anything that you want you can place in here. Last but not the least, this is the biomechanism system by Godrej. So when I talk about Godrej, it's a tenured organization, it's a tenured company, it's a tenured brand. So there is no compromise with the quality of the doors. and the door locks. A huge quality handle यहाँ दिया हुआ है. You talk about the frisking surveillance. You've got the camera stations all on your same level with the way the place where you live. नीचे से यहाँ पर आपका access है पूरा, आप देख सकते हैं. This is visible. See, there is a car parked. So let's close it. Finally, this is the time to sign off. This was Anupam Gambhir. You're watching from Estate Experts. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Don't forget to like the channel, and don't forget to follow us, so that once you follow us, you will be able to see the videos more and more on the developer floors that we're shooting in today's date. So thank you so very much. Thank you. Have a great day.